Hi, my name is Akansh and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to talk about how we can reverse an array. So let's see what reversing an array means and how we can do it. So here we have an array in front of us and we want to reverse the array. So reverse the array means if the elements of the array are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So after reversing the array, the resulting array should be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this is the reverse of the array that we have over here. So for this what we can do is let's take two pointers start and end, and let's say that the start points to the first element of the array and end points to the last element of the array. So now what we need to do is let's swap the elements at index start and index end. So that means 1 will be swapped with 7. So in this case, the resulting array after swapping these elements will be 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. So now what we need to do is we will increment the value of start by 1 and reduce the value of end by 1. So what will happen now is our new start will be this and the new value of end will be this. So this becomes our start and this becomes our end. So what we will do is we will again swap the elements at start and end. So 2 will be swapped with 6. So now the array will be 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 2 and 1. So now what we will do is we will again increment the value of start by 1 and reduce end by 1. So our new start will be this and new end will be this. So now what we will do is we will again swap the elements at the index start and end. So now the new array will be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So again we will increment start by 1 and reduce the value of end by 1. So now both start and end will point to the same element. So if we swap the start and end element in this case, so the value is going to be the same since both of them point to the same element. So the resulting array will be this. So if you watch closely, so how many swapping have we done is we have swapped only the half of the array. So what we have done is we have swapped the elements from 0 to the middle of the array. So if we go and increment the value of start by 1 and decrease the value of end by 1, so what will happen is this array is again gonna go back to this state. So we need to do the swapping of elements from 0 index to the mid. So how we can find the mid of the array? So for this what we can do is we can say mid is equal to start plus end whole divided by 2. So in this case our start is 0 index, end is 6 and divided by 2 gives us mid as 3. So we need to start from the 0th index and swap all the elements from start to mid. So now let's see how we can write code in order to reverse this array using the same method. Here we have the class array reverse. So first let's make the method that will take an array and two indexes start and end and it will reverse the array. So let's call the method reverse array and it will take an integer array, the start index and the end index. So before we proceed, first we will check that the values of start and end should be valid. So the valid value for start is that start should be greater than 0 and the end should be less than the length of the array. So if the value of start is less than 0 or the value of end is greater than array dot length minus 1, in these cases we will not proceed and we will just return. So now what we will do is, first we will find the mid element, and we can find the mid element with start plus end divided by 2. So this will give us the mid element. So now we need to iterate from start to mid and swap the elements of start and end. So for this we'll take a while loop. While start is less than mid, what we will do is we need to swap the elements of the array at index start plus plus and end minus minus. So let's create the method swap elements. So for this, what we will do is we will take a temporary variable and assign it the value of array index I. The array index I will be assigned the values of array index j, and the value of array index j will be 10. So this will swap the elements at index I and j in the array ARR. So now let's create a public static main method in order to run this program. So let's first declare an array. So uint, and let's assign the values 1 to 7. So now let's call the reverse array. Let's say we want to reverse the array from index 0 to array dot length, and let's create a method print array that will print our array to show that the array is reversed. So let's create this method. So it will take the array as an input, and we will iterate from I equal to 0 to the length of the array, and we will increment the value of I by 1 after each step. So let's print the value of array index at I. So now let's run this program. So as you can see, our original array was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and after reversing this array, the new array is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the reverse of the initial array. So that's it from this tutorial. Thank you for watching.